Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial we will know how to create parametric wall panel. So first you have to draw a curved line. Just press A to curve line. Okay. Then here back when I'm making it in a group. Okay. Now you have to move with control and type /5 to 5 number of copy between two curve line. Now here you have to use flip tool. If you're using a 2024 SketchUp, but if you're not using it, you can simply just a scale and type -1. Okay. Now here I'm just flipping all alternate edges just like that. Now here I'm selecting these three arc line. Now just scaling it little bit downwards and selecting middle one and scaling it little bit upward direction. Now select all the arc line. Okay. Now here we will use the curviloft plugin. So click over first option and here follow the settings like that. You have to choose any one of them for more smooth surface. So here I'm selecting this one and hit enter button for final result guys. Okay, now this part is ready. Now we have to make it a solid, so just go inside this group and then select all the edges with control. Okay, control will help you to select multiples at once. Okay, now here we will use a JHS power bar plugin. Okay, so just click here and select this option, line extrude option. Click and drag in a green axis and extrude it. Okay. Now here we need to explode it, this option. Okay. And select both one and select intersect with selection. Okay. Now here you can remove extra part just behind this and use one single line to make it a solid group. Okay. Now here you have to make it in a group. Right click and make it in a group guys. Now here you have to use solid inspector tool to fix the problem if you have any problem with your model. Now use solid slicer tool and set the parameters. Here I am selecting axis in a x direction. Okay, now click OK button and here you can see that it's perfectly done within a minute. So guys, if you really like, please follow, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Have fun. See you next tutorial.